Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to a Tuesday edition of Awesomecalls Trading.com. I'm AJ. I am your host. Well, what can I say today? Today was one stock, the one stock that just made us serious money. That stock was Tesla. You know what? I really want you, if you're listening to this webinar, and you're seeing different rooms out there. Um, Tone ATL made $10,258 today on Tesla. In our room, we trade everything. And I preach that over and over. There's nothing we won't trade or nothing we won't teach. No stock is unattainable for us. We will trade it. And if we don't know how to trade it, we will learn how to trade it together as a group. And I've been seeing a lot of bullshit out there where mods from different rooms are just going, or owners of rooms, don't trade with the flavor of the day. Don't trade that. I don't do that. You know what? That's because you don't know how to trade it. And so therefore, because you don't know how to trade it, you're basically going to dog on the people that are trading it, or the dog on the room that is doing very well. Because there's a difference of, listen, if you know how to trade something, why are you going to prevent other people from an opportunity? This Tesla trading for the last 5 days, 10 days, has really launched Awesome Calls. It's made it very noticeable to so many rooms out there and people and traders all around looking at our room now going, these guys know how to trade this stock. These guys are the people I want to go to. Even if I can't trade Tesla, I want to be around people that can so I can learn. So when my day comes, I will be ready. You can't go join a room where the room is just, oh, we're going to do penny stocks, and that's it. Oh, we're going to do $5 stocks, and that's it. Oh, we're going to do $10 stocks, and that's it. Um, or, we're going to just pump and dump a stock and then dump it. Don't limit yourself because of the ability of the person running the room. Don't do that. You know, don't do that. The trading world, there's so much out there available for all of us. But being in a great chat room like Awesome Calls gives you the ability to trade anything. And Tesla was that trade. And it's the way we set it up today was phenomenal. Okay. The way I called Tesla today was I wanted the stock to simply, the way I wanted to set it, I figured the stock is heading to, what is it? I'm thinking 1,000. I'm just, this is going to 1,000. Okay, hold on 1 second, traders. Hold on. Hold on. I'm almost, if I can get 303, I'm almost green. Hold on. If it pulls, if it keeps pulling, hold on. I'm in a trade right now. And if it keeps pulling just a little bit more, I'll take that money because it's good money. I want to just sit tight for a second. Okay. I'm watching it though. I'm watching it. It's got that 304 support level. If it snaps that, I'll be in good shape. Okay, so for us on Tesla, it was really simple for us to trade this out. The stock gapped up to over 100 points. With that being gapped up, I felt the stock had room to run to another up towards 1,000. I figured shorts were going to get punked and squeezed, but in order for us to trade it, we needed to set up the trade. So this is how I set it up this morning in the chat room. In 1 hour before the market opened, I made it very clear to everyone. Watch for the pull at open to 860. If it snaps at 860 at the open, the stock will drop 20 more points. If it drops 20 more points, I want to look for an 840 area, bottom curl it, and then go long to the upside to 940 or more. And the stock did exactly that, as you can tell. And now the stock hit new highs. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. One more pull. I'm green right now on TDD. I don't know about you guys, but I'm green. This second, this moment. If I get one more yank, do you see it? Do you see how it just pulled? I'll show it to you on screen. See it? If I break that support right here and snap this and hit this, look at that. See, it came all the way down to 303.80. So if it snaps it, brings it. This is getting tired now. See how heavy it is? See it? It's getting tired. It's had a hell of a run. So now, if I can get down here, see even that support right here, I can cover. So, but we'll see. We'll see if I'm right. I don't know. Otherwise, I'll just keep adding and holding overnight. All right, so the trade was basically, the way I looked at it was pull to 840, bottom curl, go long to 940. This is a 100-point trade right here, 100 points, 840 to 940. 100 points. Yesterday we traded 100 points on it as well. So the next time you see somebody making fun or poking or being an asshole telling you don't trade Tesla, just say to yourself, you know what? It's because you don't know how. So because you're already telling me you don't know how to trade that stock, I'm going to go to a company or a chat room that can, because I don't want to limit my ability. So even if I don't trade it today, maybe down the road, another stock like that will come about and I can trade it. Okay? All right. Next stock that we did today was a stock called Mayo. I'm going to give this big shout out to JT today. Mayo was a really cool stock. It wasn't even on our list until it started really moving. We traded this very, very well today. It's a very thin stock, very low volume. But the stock started, it got some news today. And the minute I saw the stock down here at this level at about 9:20 this morning, I was eyeballing it, and JT brought it to our attention. And I said, JT, this is going to be, I immediately started noticing a couple things that I share in Secret Sauce. I said, this stock is going to make a nice run here to 20, possibly to 25 or more. And so we just started playing it long to the upside. And once it broke through 17, stock went all the way to 20, 25 right there. And it halted, and it ended up at 35. And now but we spotted it early on. That's the beauty of our room. This was at a $10, $11 stock. And we were calling out $20, $25 before it even hit 15, 18. I mean, just a beautiful trade, beautiful call, beautiful everything. The next stock we did was Netflix. This was a great call today. We called for a long we called for a pull at the open at $356 a share, bottom curl and long for an all-day move to the upside. And Netflix did just that. It was a wonderful trade for at least 12 points. TDD, this one we called for a 280 long. The stock ended up going all the way to $306 today from 280. This was one of our go-to stocks because of the market gapping up that I teach traders in the chat room. The next one that we did today was a stock called Zoom. Zoom, I gave this in chat logs, walked in, went short 91.50, 91.40, roomed at 93 per the notes. Stock smashed to $83 for 10 points. It was a wonderful trade. And I came into the room. I immediately told the room, I'm going short. Stock started to pop, obviously because everyone's getting into it. I gave it room to 93. I added at 93 level, had a nice average, and it just slammed. It was just disgusting. It was disgusting. Yes, it was. Next thing we did today was CNC. This was a beauty today. Boy, you had to be in our room for this one. I read the report, and something that we do every day in here. I was looking at it, and I just kind of like, This is a long. This is a long. You got to take it long. I'm sorry. So I told everyone just go long at 60, add at 58. Hold on 1 second. I'm almost. Man, it almost gave me. It almost snapped at 304. It's trying. Anyway, I called for a 60 long right here and right here, and the stock ran all the way to 64. I wanted long to $62, and it ended up giving us $2 more. Next stock we did today was LK. LK was a beautiful trade today. I really love this trade today. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Snap it, snap it, snap it, snap it, snap it, snap it. One more snap. Come on, baby. Gosh, I'm so close. I got it. Hold on. One more pull. One more pull. Oh, went back up. Yeah. The market makers hit the spreads. And I was green for a second. Here it comes again. Let me see if I can break it. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Go, go, go. Got it. I got it. I had size. That's why I'm covering oil. So I took it. I just covered for more money on TDD. I was down over $580 on the trade when I started my position. And I just covered right there. That's me. See it? Now it's yanking. Woo! Now I'm fucking happy as fuck. Green. Another winning trade. All live in the room. Woo! That's because I'm AJ fucking Trader. What do you mean, ouch, oil? Come on, man. You know I'm not afraid of shit when I trade. Anyway, let's see what else. Yeah, so I took short TDD. I started at a 303 position, and I kept adding, and I was looking for 303 on a pullback for 2.5 points, and I just got it. Well, I actually covered here, but there's the 303 pullback. Isn't that beautiful? This is good money when you have size. Whew! What a great trade. Craig, are you going to cover? Craig has some. I think he's got 500 or 1,000 shares of TDD. Well, now it's coming down fucking hard. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You see that trade right there? That's a 4-point trade off the top. Just a mid trade for us. It's like fucking nothing. And I started and I kept adding. Bam. Okay, another trade we did today was what was it? Shit, we did Zoom, CNC, Mayo, Tesla, Netflix, TDD. Ralph Lauren was good. I had Ralph Lauren going to um, that one. Uh, $271. Too toxic. $271. I ended up on that. Was that good? And I could have made double that if I had held. See that pull again? I'm happy. You know, this just makes me a better trader, too toxic, because I was down over $600 right here. So I'm back in just 50 shares this time. Oh, okay, great, that's fine. Look at it break now. Shit, 302. We did another one. Okay, we did LK. LK was good. This one got an upgrade. And what I did on LK is I told everyone the stock will pull down around 32.50 at the open, bottom curl, and go long up to 35.36. And that's exactly what the stock did. So that was a good one there on LK. What's another one? Ralph Lauren was cool today. Ralph Lauren, I had this one really pegged today. I really learned a lot through Ralph Lauren. In order for you to short this stock, it had to break 120. This was gapping up over 10 points, and I needed to break 120. That was a key area. If I didn't get 120, the stock was going to run to 126. So I told the day traders, all the clients in the room, do not short the stock unless you snap 120. When you snap 120, then you can take it down and fill this gap right here at 117 and under. And then if it doesn't snap and it starts to grind, bottom curl go long to 126. You don't believe me? You want to see how I fucking wrote it up? You want to see this shit? You want to see it? You want to see it? You want to see it? Ralph Lauren. See that? This is where I want it to go, 126, 127. But if this snaps at open at 120, then you can chase it to 116, bottom curl, and all they move to the upside. but it must break 120. If it does not, assume the stock will go to 126, 127. You want to see what the stock did? Are you fucking for real? 127 a share. Is that sick shit? This is trading. Welcome to our fucking room. Do you know how many years it took me to do Ralph Lauren? You know how many years it took me to get that call? I don't remember being that good on that call. You can even ask the great Janny. He's been with me for 7, 8 years. I never used to be that accurate. Not like that. But you learn. Each trade you do, you learn. You know how much money I leave on the table every time I take a trade? Look at that. Look how much money I left. Look at that pull right there. Look at that. Look at that. Too toxic. Why didn't you take the trade with me? Even 10 shares, 15 shares. Got to get your feet wet, man. Don't worry about it. Stock can only go so much in a day. This is not Tesla, you know? So, wow. What a great fucking trade. Only wish I could have stayed in longer. Hey, well, that's today's. No, this is today's 101. Thank you. Today's, what is today's? You know what? I'm speechless. I'm fucking happy. Do you know what it's like to be in here? Man, if you were in here this morning, you would have just fucking, you would have lost it. You know? You want to learn more of the mental side? Again, too toxic. It's all about just understanding the stock. Yeah, just really feeling it. Knowing that this stock it's gone too much today. Too much. And because I felt like, okay, I see this stock moving even higher. Now, I could have too toxic at 303. I could have just went long, knowing it was going to go to 308, but I took the short side of it because I felt, well, I'll just take some here, some, I will add here, some, I will add here, some, and then I just kept moving. So all I needed was 1.5 points to the downside, and bam, payday. I'm not afraid if it would have went to 310. Okay. And now look at it, just breaking down. Just like this Netflix. You see this too toxic? Mentally, if this hits after hours to 370, I'm going to short that. I'm going to short that. And I'm going to overnight that. And if it pops to 375 in the morning and be down $1,800, I'm going to add to that. And then I'm going to look for a pullback for 8 to 10 points because this is up too much today. Robert A. took that trade. 301.93, sold at 304. So he went the opposite side. He thought, well, AJ said this is going to go higher. Fuck it. So he went long the stock while no. If you were short, I don't make sense then. That's not a short. You're out TDD from 3. Oh, wait a minute. I apologize. You're out 30. Yeah, you did. Fuck yeah, Robert. So Robert took it 304.50 and just covered at 301.93. Fuck yeah, Robert. Round of applause to Robert. Take the fucking trade, traders. You know? It's about time an honor put just around. Ray, sign up, baby. I'll take care of you. You do that, let me know, and then put it on Twitter. Look at Ray today. He is so happy. He's going to be an annual. He's like, I'm done. I am an annual with AJ. Craig, boss, a little short. Well, tell me where you cover. Cover. Yeah, I'd just cover that. I wouldn't. Ralph Lauren is. They're going to keep it up there. Don't fuck with it. Don't. All you need an upgrade in the morning. That thing will gap up. Don't do that. I started moving and worked my way directory. I need your help on how to figure out to cut losses. That's what we're here for, boss. All right. Hey, that's today's webinar. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. It's a wonderful day today.